Dewono, welcome to Igbo Language Simplified Asụsụ Igbo Dị Mfe, where we learn how to communicate in Igbo through fun ways. Children, teenagers, and adults come here to learn how to communicate in Igbo. Okay, so are you a parent here and you have difficulty remembering to speak Igbo to your children? You have young Igbo learners in the house, your children are learning how to speak Igbo, and you forget to chip in the Igbo, maybe you're too busy. I have tips for you. So we're going to learn how you can ask your children just one question, and they should be able to give you at least 4 or 5 sentences in Igbo. One question, 4 or 5 responses in Igbo. So we're going to have 2 batches, part 1 and part 2. And the headline for this is Gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What are you doing? That is one question you can ask your child, and you can get several responses depending on what they do. All right, so please share this video, like it, and let your friends know, and then follow us on YouTube. Thank you. I am sleeping. Ana m ehi ụra. He or she is sleeping. Ọ na-ehi ụra. I am brushing my teeth. Ana m asa eze m. Or ana m ata atụ. 2 of them still mean I am brushing my teeth. He or she is brushing his or her teeth. Ọ na-asa eze. Water. Ana m aṅụ mmiri. He or she is drinking water. Ọ na-aṅụ mmiri. I am taking my bath. Ana m asa ahụ. He or she is taking his or her bath. Ọ na-asa ahụ. I am eating. Ana m eri nri. He or she is eating. Ọ na-eri nri. I am wearing my dress. Ana m eyiri efe m. He or she is wearing his or her dress. Ọ na-eyiri efe ya. I am wearing my shoes. Ana m eyiri akpụkpọ ụkwụ m. I am carrying my school bag. Ana m eburu akpa akwụkwọ m. Okay, so remember that all these responses come from one question. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? So you could ask about your other children, maybe put their names in the question. Gịnị ka Ekene na-eme? Your other child would respond, Ọ na-eri nri. Okay, so share this video, like it, and watch out for Gịnị ka ị na-eme part 2. Daalụ no.